Hello, welcome back to Play and Learn. My name is Kathleen and I have a lot to share with you today. First, I want to say Dia Gowit and Falcha. Those are Irish words. Dia Duit means hello, and Falcha, that means welcome. First, we're going to read a book called A Dublin Fairytale. Then we're going to make a craft and learn one more word from the Irish language. But first, let's get into the story. Are you ready? Once upon a time, there was a little girl called Fiona who lived in Dublin with her mom. Granny is sick, said Mom. She needs her special witch's brew to make her feel better. Will you go to the witch's market on Moore Street and buy her the things she needs to make it? Then you can take them to Granny's house. Take this map and follow the path I've drawn on it, Mom said. Don't get delayed along the way, and if anyone tries to talk to you, just tell them you're in a hurry. Fiona put on her favorite red raincoat and set off through the trees of St. Stephen's Green Forest. Then, suddenly, oh! Two of the trees weren't trees at all, but legs of a giant. Fiona was very afraid, but she said in her bravest voice, I can't stop, I'm in a hurry. The giant looked at her sadly and pointed to his foot. I'm sorry if I startled you, but I seem to be caught in a thorn bush. Well, maybe I can stop for a minute, Fiona said as she freed his foot. Oh, thank you, said the giant. And Fiona continued on her way past Trinity College of Sorcery. She had just crossed Ha'penny's Bridge when suddenly, grrr! Fiona was very afraid, but said in her bravest voice, I can't stop, Mr. Troll. I'm in a hurry. I am sorry if I startled you, but I was just clearing my throat. It's very sore. Well, maybe I can stop for a minute, Fiona said, and handed him a cough drop from her pocket. Oh, thank you, said the troll. That feels much better. And Fiona continued on her way. She had just reached the spire when suddenly, ah! Fiona was very afraid, but said in her bravest voice, I can't stop. I'm in a hurry. I am sorry if I startled you, said the dragon, but there's a pigeon beside you, and I am terribly frightened of them. Well, maybe I can stop for a minute, Fiona said, and chased the pigeon away. Oh, thank you, said the dragon, and Fiona continued on her way. Fiona reached the market and was amazed at all the things for sale. She bought everything she needed, but then suddenly, help! Luckily, Fiona's new friends came to the rescue. Hey, give back that basket at once. Stop. I'm sorry, the wolf said. I just wanted some of your nice-smelling cake. Well, you could have asked for it, Fiona said. Come with me to Granny and you can have a slice. Granny was delighted to see Fiona and welcomed her new friends. She made a pot of witch's brew for everyone, and they all had a slice of cake. Now that we heard all about Fiona and her adventures, I'd like to show you how to make a basket just like the one she carried, but you'll have to hold on to it tight. Are you ready? Let's do it. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you do end up making the craft, you can have an adult help share it with us on social media or email it to us at info@irishchicago.org. Now, before you go, I want to teach you one more word from the Irish language. It's mamo. That means grandma. Now let's practice all the words we learned today. Do you remember what falcha means? Welcome. Very good. How about dia due? That means hello. Great job. Now it's time for me to say slán, or goodbye. Slán. See you next time.